So did you know that 0.4% of our population overdoses on meth every year? This is from a study in 2017. So it may not be as relevant. That's 934,000 people. It's almost a million people that are affected by this every year. And that's not just singular people. Those are families, friends of friends, kids. These are adults between the ages of 18 to 26. So when I looked at this number, the first thought in my head was, man, that's tragic. Even though, yes, it is tragic, my first thought was, how do I help those that are alive currently suffering with these addictions? So my name is Zara Whitlock, and I want to go over with you how to help out your friends and family, how to just initiate that conversation to show those people that they need to accept help, or they're eventually going to face the ultimate evil, which would be to pass away earlier than expected.